Hi everyone! Corona Renderer released a few days ago a sneak peek of Corona 8 and anyone with a valid license can download it. You can go to their Instagram bio, click on the link and follow the steps. Let's see the new features. Those of you who work with the latest version of V-Ray, you are already familiar with the Chaos Cosmos browser. But those of you who haven't tested it yet, I'm sure you'll get excited. Chaos Cosmos is a library of smart 3D assets. Click on this button, open Cosmos browser, and you see these three menus: 3D models, materials, HDRIs. Let me start with the 3D models. Go to the accessories category, to the office accessories, and I will choose this sculpture. First, you need to download it, and then simply drag and drop it in the scene. Let's do a render. That's perfect. Let me now go to the materials category, download this wood, and apply it to our sculpture. So the Cosmos browser gives us a great variety of 3D models and materials ready to be used. Another update is the Corona Slicer material. This material slices an object and paints the intersection with a specified material. Let me create a box and move it halfway through our sculpture. Open the material editor, create a Corona Slicer material and assign it to the box. Produce a render. Our object renders as if it's sliced by our box. Let's apply a material to the Corona Slicer material. Open the material editor and also open the Cosmos browser. Download this gold material and drag it in the material editor. Connect it to the Corona Slicer material and produce a render. You can see that our box also cuts through the nightstand. Let's go to the Corona Slicer material parameters, select the nightstand, and click on the plus icon next to the Include/Exclude object settings. If we now render, the nightstand is excluded from the Corona Slicer material and it no longer appears to be cut. Moreover, if we uncheck the cap slice geometry, the object will appear with a hole at the intersection. This is empty now. Instead of a perfect cut, we can create a random shape. Let me unhide an object which is just a combination of pebbles, which I know it's weird, but my intention is to let you understand that you can apply the Corona Slicer material to any object to get a cool result at the end. Another new feature is Decal. Let me first open the Cosmos browser and choose this wine glass. And let's say that I want to sew like we have spilled the wine on the floor. We can so easily do it with Decal. Go to the command panel, to the Geometry tab, choose Corona, and see Decal. Create a box. Open the material editor, steal this wine material, create a copy of it, and apply it to the decal. Let's render. On the floor, we see the wine projected within the box. In order to make this look like it's spilled, I googled spilled wine and found this image. And I created in Photoshop its mask. I will assign it to the opacity map. If we go to the decal parameters and click on the Fit to Assigned Material, the box resizes to the bitmap ratio. Let's do a render. Now it's like the wine is spilled on the floor. If we move the decal to include the wine glass and the coffee table, it also projects on those, but we no longer see it on the floor. We need to adjust the depth limit so that the box touches the floor. If, let's say, we want to apply only on the floor and on the glass, but not on the nightstand, we can click on the plus icon of the exclude option and click on the nightstand. Tail is a parameter that you can find in the Corona physical material in the advanced options rollout. It allows us to get a stronger reflection outside of the reflection peak. In simple terms, when tail is 0, we have perfect reflections and perfect refractions. The higher we go, the blurrier this material gets. So if I make this 0.5, it's like we have a frosted glass with the highlights being preserved. Finally, in Corona 8, we have some minor improvements on the tone mapping in the frame buffer window. That's all for now on the updates on Corona 8. I will see you all in my next video.